Hello students. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at something called adverbs before adjectives. Now this is very, very important as we need to know the placements of these words. Okay. But before that, we are going to look at what are adverbs and what are adjectives. Adverbs are the words which we use to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Okay. And what are our adjectives? Adjectives are the words which we use to modify nouns and pronouns. Okay. So remember them. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns, the main subject, and adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Okay, so the words that are used are nearly, very, fairly, all these. So, how do we place them? We most of the times use adverbs before the adjectives. Why? Because they are used to modify the adjectives, right? So I can say very expensive, pretty reasonable, too big. So here, very, pretty, and too are our adverbs, and expensive, reasonable, and big are adjectives. Too means more than you want. So it's most of the times used in negative connotation. Okay, remember that. So we use it with negative adjectives. It's too bad. It's not too nice. That is how we use it. Now, we are also going to be looking at something called conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which we use to modify either two words, two phrases, and two sentences. Okay, so we have various conjunctions we are going to be starting with today, which are and, but, though, and however. Okay, so and or but. We use and to connect two positive or two negative ideas. The city is ugly and the weather is terrible, right? But though, and however are used to connect a positive idea with a negative idea. So we are talking about contrast things here. We use but in the middle of the sentence, and though and however are used at the end. Okay, remember that. And we use a comma before every conjunction. Understood? Next, we are going to look at examples. It's a big city and the weather is nice. Two positives. Okay, it's a big city, but it's not too big. It's a big city, it's not too big though. It's a big city, it's not too big, however. That's how we can say. And we'll look at adverbs before adjectives now. San Juan is really nice. It's a really nice city. It's a fairly big city. It's not very expensive, or it's not a very expensive place. It's too noisy and it's too crowded for me. So again, too has a negative connotation. Remember that. Now try practicing these sentences in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.